Hotel restaurant management. Hotel restaurant management involves overseeing the operations of multiple food and beverage outlets. These facilities operate similar to regular restaurants, with the exception that they can be charged to a guest's room. These operations also often require a variety of skills, including customer service, financial management, and inventory control. Training and education is essential to success. Listed below are the requirements and benefits for becoming a hotel restaurant manager. After graduating from a hotel restaurant management program, you can look for job opportunities in the field. Hotel restaurant management involves organizing an establishment to maximize revenue and satisfaction. It also involves delegating tasks to staff to ensure smooth operations. As such, hotel managers must have knowledge of customer service and how to keep customers satisfied. They should also have the knowledge to assess the financial situation of a business and determine how to make it more profitable. An understanding of marketing and finance management is also a prerequisite for hotel restaurant managers. When applying for a job in this field, make sure that the candidate has a thorough understanding of all the aspects of the industry. What is restaurant industry? It is an industry of restaurants, cafes, bars, fast food and other food service providers that allow customers to enter, order food, and eat on the premises, as well as order takeaway food. The restaurant industry is part of the hospitality industry. Top 8 Cairo restaurants you must visit to enjoy a platter full of flavors. Restaurants in Cairo, from Arabian hospitality to Egyptian zest. A holiday can never be just about adventure, as food is one of the most important aspects of celebrating every moment together. Now, when it comes to enjoying a vacation in Cairo, this city is a paradise to explore. There is everything, from markets to malls, cafes, and restaurants in Cairo, Egypt, making it a perfect place to relax and discover the grandeur. The delicious and tempting zest of Egyptian cuisines and the flavorful blend of international delicacies make restaurants of this city a heave for foodies around. Enjoy the Arabian hospitality and the delicious cuisines served in the exotic ambience of the finest eateries in the city. Top 8 Cairo restaurants you must visit to enjoy a platter full of flavors. 1. Kosheri Abu Tariq Restaurant. 2. Le Pasha 1901. 3. Maison Thomas. 4. Birdcage. 5. The Mogul Room. 6. Soul Barbecue. 7. Zitouni. 8. Bab al-Qasa. 1. Kosheri Abu Tariq Restaurant. On any usual day in Cairo, Kosheri Abu Tariq Restaurant stands as the busiest restaurant serving a flavorful platter of traditional Egyptian food. Located downtown, this restaurant in Cairo, Egypt, is happening forever. As you enter the restaurant, you will find a family portrait of business owners who have passed down the legacy for generations. Well, what's so special about the place is that it serves only one dish, kosheri. This traditional Egyptian dish is prepared with vegetables, lentils, and carbs like noodles and rice. The authentic flavors of the place have also made this place rank as one of the top Cairo restaurants on the CNN list. The interiors are not so fancy, but that's the beauty, as this place with its vintage vibes attracts thousands of people daily. Designed as a 3-story building downtown, it is mostly flooded with people waiting to get their perfectly served kosheri. 2. Le Pasha 1901. Le Pasha 1901 is more than a restaurant, as it is a cruise-styled dining spot that was built over a paddle boat in 1901. This became the headquarters of the best international restaurants in Cairo in 1992, and since then, it has been a perfect spot to enjoy food and nightlife in Egypt. The restaurant lies on the banks of Zamalek and is surely a spectacular place to fall in love with overnight. This place can be rightly called heaven for foodies, as it brings you diversity in taste and style. There are 9 restaurants here, famous for the finest taste of continental and Mediterranean, French, Italian, Asian and Egyptian flavors. The 3 signature restaurants at Le Pasha 1901 are the Italian Piccolo Mondo, the French Le Steak, and Johnny's Pub. You can enjoy a lavish and delicious meal here with your family. 3. Maison Thomas. Do you know you can find a perfect pizza in Egypt? Among the top restaurants in Cairo, Maison Thomas is the best to try a thin crust freshly baked pizza topped with the goodness of veggies, cheese, and more. Since 1912, this fancy eatery has served the best taste from America and Italy, with a touch of its authentic Egyptian flavors. Apart from the food, what makes this place in Egypt an ideal spot for dining is the fancy decor, given a brass touch and decorated with glassware and other accessories. It has a cool, wild, and vintage ambience that makes the place perfect for all. There are other dishes too you can relish. Smoked salmon, boiled eggs, baked potatoes, sliced onions, and chocolate mousse are some of the best foods to try. This Cairo restaurant is just perfect for spending a lazy afternoon or evening with your family. 4. Birdcage. Who doesn't love Thai food? And the best thing, no matter where you are, Italy, France, or Egypt, Thai food has always been the best option for foodies around. Birdcage is a perfect Thai restaurant in Cairo, Egypt, where you will have the most delicious menu laced with the top continental delicacies. Known to be the most lavish restaurant in Egypt, Birdcage is located on the premises of the Intercontinental Hotel and is quite famous for its intriguing hospitality and service. The interiors are vibrant and lively, while the food is too delicious to make every day an occasion. You can enjoy the zest and aroma of Thai spices. You can enjoy the shrimps, tender duck, chicken and beef or tom yum, green curry, and shrimp kanafa. The best thing is this Cairo restaurant caters to every special requirement, which means one can find vegetarian or vegan food options too. Location: Semiramis Intercontinental Cairo Hotel, Corniche El Nile. 5. The Mughal Room. One of the most popular Indian restaurants in Cairo, the Mughal Room is the best place for those who love Mughlai and Indian flavors. Located in the Mena House Hotel, this luxury restaurant is quite a place for families and couples on their honeymoon in Egypt. What makes this place so popular is its menu, which includes every Indian and Arabian cuisine. The decor and interiors of the place make it stand out from the rest. You will find the touch of Asian and Arabian art, the antiques, and more, which makes this fancy Cairo restaurant quite a masterpiece and surrealistic. Now, when you go through the menu, you will find some delicious chicken korma, lamb vindaloo, and more. Even the beverage menu will have the best options like lassi, tea, and a full-stocked bar. Do try the desserts that include gulab jamun, pista kulfi, gahar halwa, and more. Location: 2 Zahra El Lout Street, Qizm El Aram, Al Jiza. 6. Seoul Barbecue. A name that itself represents the best taste of Korea. Seoul Barbecue is just the perfect dining place in the city. While Korean food is not that famous in Egypt, this place is just perfect for those who love the tangy and spicy flavors of Asian cuisines. You can prepare your meal the way you want, with the authentic flavors and finest Korean spices at this famous Korean restaurant in Cairo. Try the bulgogi made with grilled, marinated beef, or the famous soju, the Korean drink to feel refreshed. Owing to its popularity, the place has renovated its ambience and made it quite a place to grab a quick snack on any lazy evening. The restaurant is located in one of the famous places in Cairo, New Mahdi, and offers a wide range of cuisines, be it vegetarian, vegan, and more. The menu here is loaded with delicacies that are solely popular among Koreans. 7. Zitouni. Being in Cairo, you can never miss the authentic flavors of Egypt. Zitouni, located in the Four Seasons Hotel, Egypt, is surely the best place for a romantic dinner in Cairo. The luxury setting of the place is just perfect for honeymooners or couples to enjoy an evening together. Overlooking the beauty of the Nile River, this place is the epitome of luxury, elegance, and hospitality. The restaurant in Cairo offers a wide range of cuisines for dinner, lunch, and breakfast, on a separate menu. Try the dishes such as falafel, sambusak, and shish barak along with some national dishes and desserts that are a must for a memorable gastronomic experience. The interiors and decor of the place are like icing on the cake, making the ambience romantic and cozy for all. If you are the one with a larger appetite, this place is just made for you. 8. Bab al-Khasa. If you are looking for a classic dining restaurant in Cairo, Egypt, the Bab al-Khasa is just the place where you can enjoy a delicious platter of Oriental cuisines. Bab al-Khasa delivers authentic Oriental food and has an Egyptian and Levantine vibe about it. For those who are unaware, the distinctive bistro serves more than just traditional cuisine. It also offers a variety of Levantine delights and Turkish delicacies. If you go through the menu, the diner options here are amazing, making it an excellent spot to gather with family and friends. In addition, customers can experience a wide range of the best Middle Eastern delicacies. The restaurant setting is reminiscent of Arabian service where you can relish the taste that is hard to find at any other place in the Middle East. Location: Royal Maxim Kempinski Hotel, First Settlement. For any further information contact us WhatsApp 001129299192. Trainer Mohammed Amin, designer of training courses for hotel management, tourism, hospitality, general English language, conversation in English, tourist guidance and tourism marketing. Thank you for watching, goodbye for now, see you soon.